Here we go, into another one. This one now is part 54. Build your own Batmobile Tumbler. Number 54. What are we going to be doing? We are going to be doing the upright crossbar and crossbar connectors. So, yeah, a bit like putting Lego together. And I'll bring back this old beauty from previous build. Add some bits on, and then once completed, we'll be at that stage. And then next week's magazine, we'll be doing the floor of the front section. So let's have a look at the parts we get with this magazine. Number 54. Very lightweight. And this is all going to be plastic parts. So a couple of crossbars, a couple of additional parts, and these parts also. So let's crack on with the build. Okay, so we get these plastic parts here. You snap those into place. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to glue them, because they're going to take a little bit of pressure when they're inserted into this bad boy over here. So let's get a little bit of glue out, just for, well, just to make it easier, but for later stages. So you've got two holes there and there, and get one of these cross braces. Put that into the first hole. And we get the second one. And into the other hole. Then we're going to join these two parts together. So let's try, without getting glue everywhere, if we can do that. And come on, in you go. Yeah, so that's completed. A little bit wonky. So move that out of the way. Then we bring in this part here, and we've got these two parts here, and you've got staging on the struts that go into the holes. And this is the right hand side. Got it the wrong way around, that's why. So that's the one side on. And we'll get the other side on as well. So those, oh, this is great, isn't it? It's all falling apart. Might just add a bit of glue to that as well while I'm here. Don't want that all coming apart later on. And I'll glue the other side as well while I'm at it. Beautiful. Flip that over. That now looks like that. That looks like that. And that's us at the end of this one. Hope you enjoyed that one. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one.